Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and I stopped into the RHW Retail and Vegan Cafe located in Atlanta, Georgia. You guys, this place is an absolute vibe. They offer crystals, herbs, apparel, and various candles. They also have the music playing. Again, here's a look at the vibe. Here's the menu. One more look at that atmosphere. I'm telling you guys, it's so beautiful inside. Here's more of their products that they do offer. I ended up getting the sunrise chicken burrito with the chickpea egg. It has jackfruit, and I got the strawberry lemonade with sea moss. Here's a look before I get into it. And I took a bite, you guys. It was so flavorful and tasty. I did add their sauce that they do have. I do not know what this sauce was, but I definitely put it on top just to see how it tastes with it on top. And y'all, as you can see, I definitely enjoyed that bite and the flavors. It's so tasty. I took a sip of the strawberry lemonade sea moss. Gave it a little stir, and it was so refreshing. You guys, they get a 10 out of 10. I'm telling you, you need to go if you haven't been here. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.